Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I will show you how you can fix this experience is unavailable due to your account settings error in Roblox. Now I have Roblox opened here, and here I have this game called Framed, but I cannot play it because it says this experience is unavailable due to my account settings. Now, if you have this error, you also notice that you don't have the play button, so it is impossible to play this game. Now, if you scroll down here, they also added this age. So here it says it is only for age 9 plus. So what you can do for this is you can go ahead and click on the cog icon here and click on settings. Alright, now from here, you can go ahead and click on parental control. And here, just change the age to 13 plus or whichever is higher from the game's requirement. So click on 13. And here, you need to enter your PIN and click on unlock. Now let's go back to that game. And now we can actually play this game. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.